This cichlid puddle structure was filmed at Piaba by Jackie Anderson. This puddle in the forest was a really cool place, and although we didn't sample the water quality parameters up here in the puddle, we sampled down in the river a few hundred yards away and noted those numbers below. But this puddle full of cichlids was noticeably warmer and likely varied significantly in other parameters as well. This was a very shallow puddle in the recently flooded forest that had been cut off from the main body of the river by hundreds of yards of dry forest floor. There were many species of fish concentrated in this puddle, including flag cichlids, Mesonoda insignis, which we see looming a bit in the background thinking about approaching, and Aquidens pallidus, the pale cichlid with the big dot. These fish were at first hesitant to approach, but quickly got over that and started behaving naturally and investigating the logs and structure in the puddle looking for food. At first I thought the festivums were spawning on this vertical log that was sticking up, but then they really didn't seem to mind when this smiling cichlid, Laetochara, approached and did exactly the same thing they were doing. It seems like they're just checking it for food. There's probably something good hiding in the cracks in the bark. As I mentioned earlier, this puddle is now completely separated from the main body of the river, and all of these fish are trapped up here if the water levels continue to drop. The gentle capture of many species of home aquarium fish from habitat like this throughout the Rio Negro region drives conservation by providing sustainable livelihoods to rural families. This disincentivizes environmentally destructive industries that are rampant in other parts of the Amazon.